Welcome to the ELB Service and Refit Center here in Babenhausen, the base of our ELB Work Service team. Today we show you the general overhaul of an ELB Perfect 6 PLC grinding machine. We want to give you a small overview which work we perform here at our plant in Babenhausen until we can supply you a remanufactured machine with warranty. I thank you in advance for your attention and I hope you will visit us on our website. Thank you very much, your ELB Work Service team.